Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create and sell coloring books on Amazon using AI in 2026. So whether you're looking to build a passive income stream, start a print on demand business, or publish low content books through the Amazon KDP, AI can actually help you generate ideas, create illustrations, design pages, and prepare your coloring book much faster. So by the end of this tutorial, you know how to prepare your first AI coloring book using the Amazon KDP and AI. All right, guys, so let's start first by choosing a profitable niche. So before you begin selecting your niche, instead of making a general coloring book, you need to focus on a specific audience or theme. So for that, we're going to be opening up Claude. Once you've opened up Claude on your device, go ahead and click on New Chat. Now, if you do not have an account on Claude, please make sure to create one. After creating your account on Claude, the next step you're going to be taking is quite simple. Where we have chats, just go ahead and enter a prompt. A prompt is basically a set of instructions you give to the AI that it follows and gives you an output, which would be your result. So use this as your prompt. Suggest 30 profitable coloring book niches for Amazon KDP and then click on enter. So it's just going to go ahead and begin providing you with the answers to your question that you asked, such as animals, ocean life, nature, zen, fantasy. So we're going to be going with the most common, which is animal or general wildlife. Now, once that is done, just choose a niche with a strong demand and plenty of designs. Now we're going to be generating the color book ideas. Once you've chosen your niche, use Claude again to plan the content of your book. Claude can help you create titles, page ideas, and organize the book before you begin designing. So you can ask Claude to generate your book titles, subtitle ideas, page concepts, character organization, age recommendations, and book descriptions. All of these can be written as prompts for the Claude AI to follow. So just go ahead and enter a prompt, and then Claude will begin working. Now, if you need examples of what these coloring books would look like, you could just open up Canva, make sure you have an account here, and then type in animal coloring books. Once you've typed that out, go ahead and hit enter, and it's going to begin generating samples and templates you can make use of and easily sell on the Amazon KDB once you sign in or once you join. So I'm going to go ahead and click on sign in, and I'll show you what comes up next. But while we're here, I'm just going to head back to Canva and open up one of the free options. So this is ready to use, that is mapped for learning standards. So it's, free, I guess, with a plan. And if you scroll through, you can see a couple of free options like this one here. So you can just click on it and go through the animals that are listed and then click on customize this template, which will then open it up in a new blank worksheet. So once it's opened up here, you can now begin editing the colors. If you want to have a black background with white colorings instead, you can do that as well. All right, so back to the Amazon KDP. Once you open up the Amazon KDP on sign in, enter your mobile and email. So I'll just go ahead and show you what comes up next. All right, guys, so this is basically what it looks like once you've opened up the Amazon KDP. Now, here's another thing you can do. You can create your own coloring pages if you actually want to use AI more in depth here. How do you go about that? You could just basically ask Claude to generate you a prompt that you can prompt an image generator with that would generate you your images or your illustrations rather. So this is what it looks like when you type that out as a prompt. All right, so I went with create a prompt for an image generator for coloring book illustrations, and then just go ahead and hit enter, and it's going to create a prompt that we're going to be applying to Canva. Now you're wondering how we would apply this to Canva. Basically, once you head into Canva and click on Canva AI, here you can just go ahead and head over to the design option. Once you click on design, you can now go ahead and enter the prompt. So we're going to be getting the prompt from Claude. Now we can just go with this first one and copy this, head back to Canva AI, use the Control key and V to paste it in, and then hit enter, and Canva AI would start working on that. Now, once the design has been created, you're going to find it on this blank page here, and it's just going to go ahead and produce something for you using your prompt. Now, you may need to rework the prompt a couple of times, like changing things where a subject is used or where the word high contrast, print ready, vector style, line art, things like that. You can just easily customize them to your liking. Now, once Claude has helped with the presentation and everything else, you may be required to answer a few questions from Canva, like what subject, style, and audience should I use for the coloring book? You could just go ahead and say something like, do what works, and just go ahead and enter what you want to enter, and Claude will begin working on the coloring book. All right, so now once the design has been created, you can just easily download it as a PNG, a PDF, head back to Amazon, and in the create new title or series, click on this option here. It's going to open up a new page, and then you can easily start creating your ebooks, hardcovers, or paperbacks, or even a series page. So we're looking to create an ebook. So click on ebook here, and it's going to open up. Once it does, go ahead and select the language, the title, the subtitle, the series, the edition number, the author, contributions, and the description. And if there are any options to include a PDF or PNG, that is the book content, you'd find it in the book content page, and then you can edit the pricing here. All right, guys, so it's actually that easy. It's actually that good. You can actually get the most out of Canva if you prompt it properly using Claude, and you can still make use of Canva again for already existing designs. All right, guys, so that's how it works. Comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.